All this due to the Santa Ana winds. We're going to get to our weather alert day in a moment, but to touch upon Southern California, high fire danger still in effect, what's called a red flag warning all up and down here, Southern California, in the Los Angeles area, even extending down to near the San Diego area too. We also have in the way alerts for high wind warnings that are there too. Those high wind warnings also in effect. And then that, of course, with smoke in the air, we've also got this air quality alert, just awful air quality that's there. So all this due to Santa Ana winds. These are very strong winds, originate in the mountains west of them and then come rushing down, actually incredibly warm up, and then that fuels the fires. Very warm and dry air comes in. We're much different, very cold and dry air. 33 already in Bogalusa, 39 already to Houma, 43 officially here in town, 46 at Lakefront. The freeze warnings, the WDSU first warning weather alert day tomorrow. Freeze warnings along the lake, coastal Mississippi, river parishes, northern parts of the bayou parishes. Those regions as cold as 30, along the lake and towards Mississippi could be as cold as 27. You already saw that we're already close to freezing some areas of the North Shore. So here's been the bigger picture, and the setup is obviously the colder air is dropped in, the core of it kind of right upon us. But we do turn our attention to a developing system. I mean, this is still a cold storm. And if you've got area regional travel, look out for this. Some terrible wintry weather coming into the mid-south and even to Mississippi and Alabama. That's going to be that terrible freezing rain, ice situation, sleet. This is snow that's shown. This is going to be coming as far south as even north of Jackson, Mississippi, near Birmingham. We're just dealing with rain, and it's a heavy rain potential. And because it's a heavy rain, possible flood situation, that's a weather alert day too, coming at the worst part of the day when you're trying to get around. So the lows tomorrow morning, there's the 27, as cold as that to the North Shore, and the freeze. Freeze warnings for Houma at 32. I do see Terrytown, Belt Chase possibly at 32. Now, the magic mark should really set us off for really a situation where the pipes could freeze is 20 degrees. A lot of research has been done on this because that means you've got over 12 hours of very cold temps below 30 degrees. Now, in this situation, that's not even going to happen for the North Shore. So it's going to be the effect that it has on us, the pets, and of course the plants you'd want to take in for this particular round. Increasing clouds tomorrow, we're up to 52. But here's what comes next for the alert day for the possible rain, the timing. Rain comes in as soon as Thursday night. Overnight Thursday into Friday, it turns heavier. Right when we're trying to get around on Friday, taking kids to school, getting you to work, wherever you need to be. Could be the heaviest rain and maybe even an isolated thunderstorm that arrives right at that 7 o'clock hour. It's still raining by 10, not completely done till the afternoon. We could be putting on several inches of rain, but I'm giving the alert day also for the driving conditions that could be much, much slower. There's a look at the rainfall totals, but trending a little farther north with recent would be the heaviest of rain north of I-10. We're all under that low-level flood risk. But the other part of this is it's an upside-down day, a backwards day. Temperatures shown here, the warmest part, 64, would feel phenomenal considering what we've been out to. Well, that's in the morning hours. That forecast had us cooler, but look by the midday afternoon hours, we're falling back into the 40s. So milder in the morning, colder in the afternoon. North Shore, you may not even tap into some of that quote-unquote warmth. But if we extend the forecast out, we're still in a chilly pattern, and we really don't have much precipitation. It's just staying in the chill. WDSU first warning weather 7-day, the alert day tomorrow for the cold, the alert day Friday morning for the possible flooding and the effect on the commute. Look out for the temperatures dropping from morning to afternoon. That's the arrow. And the chill through the weekend, more cold temperatures Saturday, Sunday make them impact days too.